7 months is what the season is, the height of crab season. It starts in April and it goes for 7 months, so it ends around end of October. So this is actually when the number is not that high, is low for blue crab. Yet these blue crabs are huge. I mean, take a look at this. And the vibrant blue, look at these beautiful blues. Look at that. Just take a look at these legs. I mean, these are as big as Alaskan king crab. Look at this, Matthew. This is unbelievable. Wow. Look at this beautiful, vibrant blue. This is incredible. The vibrant blue, and these claws, they are as fat as some of the Alaskan king crabs I've seen. It's gorgeous. So our captain here is going to steam these amazing blue crabs on a little steamer here, and we're going to show you that on the boat, and with this amazing history, with this great view. And I can hear the sheep. Can you hear them? I don't know if they can hear it. Do you think you can hear it? This is, I'm going to be eating this with cold, ice cold beer. And this is good living. This is good living. The way the boaters do it here is very simple. As you can see, all you have is a propane tank here and this simple silver metal pot. Very little water to provide steam. And I ask them because in the States we use Old-Bay seasoning, salt, vinegar, etc. For steaming, they like to use nothing. Absolutely nothing. So it's just water, no salt. About 15-20 minutes, it's going to turn red. We're going to throw it on the table, and then there comes the feast with melted butter, a little bit of crushed pepper, and lemon wedge. That's how they eat it here in Turkey. They like to serve it with lemon. Although I have to say, I wish I had brought a little, tiny little bottle of Old-Bay seasoning with me. 15 minutes from now, cold beer and crab feast. Simple, but just take a look at this. With this stunning setting and a growling, hungry tummies, this is gonna taste like heaven, simply heaven.
Here we go.
Here
so
we
your
go.
dream blue crabs are ready.
I know, you made my dream come true, but I can't believe you've never tried blue crab. Here's the thing. In Turkey, most people here, Turkish people, they don't know about blue crab. So these blue crabs, they are plentiful here. As you can see, they're huge. Look how beautifully red they are. They are dirt cheap because there's no demand for it. So only the tourists, people coming from the United Kingdom, from US, Canada, Russians, Germans, they come and they get these. They're like, oh my God, I can't believe the prices. I mean, it's dirt cheap. Basically, you get them for free. And we are gonna get Ibrahim try blue crab for the first time in his life. And I have to tell you this, when it comes to preparing this thing, I'm not the most elegant person in the world, but I'm gonna give you a taste. Oh, look at this meat. See this meat?
They look great.
Okay, so
They look.
be open-minded. It's not like something that, oh my God, it tastes so fishy or anything. Try it. Try it.
Alright.
Try it. There.
Amazing.
Are you faking it or is it really
No,
amazing?
It's really nice.
You really like it?
Amazing, yeah. I like seafoods, but I never had.
This is the
Blue
king
crab.
of. I'm gonna put some salt here because this needs some salt. You know, that's why I was saying I wish I had my Old Bay seasoning, because Old Bay seasoning gives you that little jolt, but lemon and salt and a little bit of butter would do just fine. Awesome. You really liked it?
Really liked it.
You see all this? You see all this?
They
You're not gonna
look
believe the
fantastic.
price of this. I'm talking about less than $4 or $5. I mean, this is insanity, insanity. And I'm gonna eat half of this because once I start eating blue crabs, once I start eating oysters, just name it, anything seafood, I just can't stop. Cheers.
Cheers.
Are you gonna try the next one?
Yes. I hope I can do it. Here we go.
That's right. Wow. Ah, I think he was lying. He's a pro. You're a pro. You're a pro. Oh,
Doesn't
look
come
at that. Oh my God. Okay, here's just white meat. Eat it. Eat it. Yapmacık mı gerçekten mi?
So I come always here to eat the black crab. Sibel, what did you do?
Oh my God. You know what?
I like it. Honestly, I love it.
Last time I was doing crab in Turkey, I don't know, I was rushing and I got bloody everywhere.
Really?
No, I mean really bloody. It was not like little scrapes. Oh my God. Look at this. Look at this.
I don't know, you see. I done it.
Ooh. Yeah, life. Living in the moment. Take a look at those tombs there. Take a look at those tombs there. No future. No plans of future. Past is past. And you know what? I don't know whether you're a Turk or an American or an Australian or Iranian or a Greek. If you're here or someplace like this, in the moment, and you're savoring this, and you're totally in the present this time, then you are the happiest person in that moment, because it's impossible not to be happy. And if we were all of us remind ourselves of this more often than we are doing, the world would be such a great place. There would be no war. People will be just loving each other, enjoying life, working hard, still having miseries, still we're gonna have sick days. But when you have moments like this, and if you look forward, try to create moments like this, and you try for it, there's gonna be no time for wars and fights and clashes and nonsense, you know?
Sibel, what is, I'm upset. Many people scared coming for this country. Unbelievable. There's nothing, any problems, nothing in this country. This country like paradise. So I want to be, all the world people must be come to Turkey and must be see this heaven. This is my opinion.
Well, I'm here, am I not?
So that's why I say thank you very much.
Bridging the gaps together.